Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is a come Christmas shopping with me in our local town. So I'm currently on my way to my sister's house. We're gonna go shopping, do a bit of Christmas shopping. The next Christmas shop will be the 29th and we'll be going to Chatham. So on the 29th, which is a Saturday, so I'll be filming that, and it will be going up on the Tuesday. Yeah, I'm losing the days right now. We've got so much going on at the moment with Christmas, wedding. It's just absolutely manic. So yeah, so today's video is obviously come shop with me, just going into our local town, Home Bargains obviously, but I thought I'll bring you guys along with us. I will try and film as much as I can today. Obviously, due to being Christmas period, everyone's going to be rushing around through town, trying to get all their Christmas bits before Christmas. You know, we've literally just got a few weeks away now from Christmas, so everyone's going to be rushing about. So I will try and film as much as I can. If it is a short video, I do apologise in advance. Like I said, due to Christmas, everyone's going to be rushing around. But yeah, I'm currently on my way to my sister's house now, so I can go and meet her. And then we're going to go to Greggs, get something to eat, because I've not had nothing to eat yet. And I'm starving. I've not had my morning tea either, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Super excited. So cute. Cookie cutters as well. That's what I used to get open as well. Them. I think they might be the gonks up there that Denise was on about. They're all in the spare room, like in a big box. I was gonna say, that means I've got one more then if I'm having 3.
I just got the train last night. Someone else provided that.
Look how cute these AU mini bottles are.
I heard that. Do you want one of those?
No, not them. I don't wear pants, if you haven't noticed. Loads of kids' toys, games, puzzles, loads of games as well over the Christmas period. And you've got the family round. Hey guys, so that is going to end today's video. I'm all hot and bothered, absolutely sweating. I've got a bag on that arm, Sorry if this video has been really short, but like I said, it was going to be Ramo. It was Ramo. Like, there was loads of people doing all the Christmas shopping, as I knew they would. But Home Bargains, I don't know, I think it's just because it's like in November time and they didn't really have that much stuff there, so not that many gift sets or anything. But I did get a couple of bits, which you guys will see in a haul. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm knackered, I want to get home and rest.